This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Heart, stomach, liver, intestines, lungs, chocolate,
Makes your teeth set.
donuts,
Give you pimples.
soda,
Makes you tired and grumpy.
water,
Makes you feel fresh and happy.
veggies,
Help your skin glow.
apples,
Keep your smile fresh.
If you can do it, I can do it too. When Daddy fixes the car, I can do it too. Fixing the car with you. I love doing what you do. Watch me doing it too.
Wow!
I love doing what you do.
Clean the shower. Use the toilet brush. Flush the toilet. Scrub the sink. Mop the floor. And make people sneeze.
Oh, thank you, Rose. Cap, please grow some orange mushrooms around the flowers. But without spots. Spots might make people dizzy. Thistle, Moss and I came up with an amazing new game. It's called Juggle a Grape. Oh, people will slip and fall on those squishy grapes. Thistle, we've had the Fall Festival for years, and nothing bad ever happens. It's all for fun. But I wasn't in charge then. I just want everything to be perfect. Rose, will you take over setting up the games, please? While I go home and wash off this squishy grape. Ugh.
Bucky, you are looking at pure perfection. So round, so orange, so
Yummy when made into a pie?
not for this pumpkin. When I get through, it's going to be a work of art. I'll be back with my tools.
Hello, breakfast.
Huh? Ellery, this pumpkin isn't for eating. Chef Thorne says it's going to be art.
Solid, fresh, pure perfection. Do you have a spoon?
But it's for the Fall Festival. Rose, I knew I could count on you. Acorn in a basket. Only the most fun game ever invented. And here's the guess how many seeds are in the jar game. Fun and safe. This leaf tic-tac-toe game is even better than I dreamed. Thank you, everyone. It's perfect.
Hello, everyone! Oh, dear me, I must have taken a wrong turn. I meant to pop up underneath the dandelion patch, not here in your village in a circle of flowers. Am I in some sort of show?
It's the ribbon circle for our Fall Festival. It's a day of games and fun. Thistle's in charge.
Oh, well, don't mind me, Thistle. You carry on with your plans.
I really can't, Molly. Not with you in the ribbon circle. This is where we award our prizes.
Of course, I'll be going now. Though I enjoy a festival. I seem to be stuck. Not to worry. I'll just go back the way I came. Nope, can't go backwards either. Imagine a mole getting stuck in the ground.
We were just about to start the festival.
I didn't know a vegetable could be this fancy.
A pumpkin is technically a fruit.
You know so much of everything.
I really do.
The chipmunk is right. It is a fruit. Now, could I have a little quiet, please? There's an artist at work.
Thorn,
Now what?
we need your help.
I'm in the middle of creating great art here.
But it's an emergency. The festival itself is in trouble.
Fine. Bucky, I'm leaving you in charge of my creation. Don't let anything happen to it.
You can count on me, Chef Thorn.
Ow!
Ellery, what are you doing in there?
Nothing. Don't get your tail in a tangle. I'm coming out. Oh, I think I'm stuck.
I'm not sure what you want me to do, Thistle. My speciality is cooking, not moles.
Just don't throw me in the soup pot.
Molly! I came as soon as I heard. Zinnier, oh, thank goodness you're here. Can you and Spearmint pull Molly out?
I don't think so. When Molly's stuck, she's stuck. Maybe we should cancel the fall festival.
But what about all these fun and easy games? Like Acorn in a Basket. Okay, not so easy. Don't forget this amazing game. Anyone care to guess how many seeds there are in here?
244.
All right, that was a little too easy. Death, how about a game of leaf tic-tac-toe? Oh, I don't feel right playing games while poor Molly's stuck. Oh.
What a cosy circle. You know, this reminds me of the time I accidentally popped up in the middle of the Royal Toad's Midsummer Feast. It was a
Thistle, don't go!
surprises.
Are you okay, Thistle? I wanted my first fall festival to be perfect. But when Molly came, it changed everything.
I know what you mean. Sometimes things don't go the way you planned, but they can still be fun. Please come back.
Why, Rose? There is nothing for me to do anymore.
Of course there is. You can help us think about how to get Molly out. Molly makes a game out of being stuck, but the truth is, no one likes to be stuck.
A game? Rose, that's it!
That's it. You have messed up enough of my creations, Chipmunk. I need to chisel you out of there.
But you might accidentally ruin my beautiful fur.
That's a chance I'll have to take.
Oh, I can't look.
Oh, stop! Huh? What if we just roll the pumpkin down to the festival with Ellery inside? Like, he's the art.
What? And when everyone gets through gawking at this pumpkin art, what am I supposed to do? Live trapped in a pumpkin forever?
I don't have a better idea. Bucky, let's roll.
New game. It's called Tug of Molly. On the count of 3, everyone pull as hard as they can. Ready?
But what if we fall into that mud?
You get dirty.
Well, what if I sneeze when I'm pulling?
You sneeze. Lilybuds, there are always going to be a few problems, even when you plan perfectly. Molly, this year you are the festival. But let's get you out so you can play some games with us. 1, 2, 3.
Ow, 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 ow! Easy! Ow, valuable chipmunk inside!
Harder! We can do it!
Ow, 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 ow!
Run away, pumpkin!
I'm sorry, Chef Thorn.